Crypto.com Crocoin holders, 2025 will be absolutely huge for Crypto.com Crocoin. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com Crocoin, and I'm going to give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. First things first, guys, I do want to say, please check out Blowfin in the link down below in the description box or the pinned comment. You get a $5,000 sign-on bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. I know it can be kind of tough to find a good exchange with low trading fees, and Blowfin is that right for you. And it's a limited time offer for this link, so I really recommend you sign up now. Even if you don't want to trade right now, you'll get grandfathered into that 10% off all trading fees. No other exchange is offering this right now. So let's take a look at Crocoin, guys. So Cronos is sitting at rank 33, down about 13% in the past 7 days, up about 1% in the past 24 hours. We're getting a little bit of relief here across the board. When you look at Cronos, we're sitting at $4.28 billion market cap, a $42.97 million 24-hour volume. That's okay, you know. I don't expect significant moves in 24-hour volume and even in the overall market cap until we see a true breakdown in Bitcoin dominance, a true altcoin season, guys. And we're getting pretty close to that. I have to be honest. I'm seeing some signals that are very, very promising. Over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I say day 40, bull posting Crocoin to $1. Crypto.com is consistently building because they are here for the #1 spot. Yes, they are. And now that may take a little bit longer time than immediately getting as much market share as possible. So it takes time to have some staying power, especially in this new industry that is moving at breakneck speeds, guys. The Cronos chain is consistently building to better the product. Yes, they are. I know some of the builders on the Cronos chain, and they want to basically make Cronos great again, make Crocoin great again. It's very exciting. And I say repost this, Crow fam, if you think with this roadmap we can see $1 Crocoin in 2025. This is why Crypto.com and Cronos will be huge in 2025. If you take the time to look at this roadmap. If you need to, pause the video, take a look at it. But we're going to go over briefly with this. Look at all of these things that Crypto.com and Cronos Labs want to deliver in 2025. For Crypto.com, look at this. For crypto, a web app, AI tools, exchange expansion, and that's a United States flag if you cannot see. There's so many things. Institutional custody, crypto rewards maximizer, Cronos One. I'm curious on what that is, but the AI-powered trade tools, that's just in crypto. Then they have stocks, stock and ETF trading, stock options. I would love to be a beta tester of that. So Crypto.com, if you're listening, please let me beta test stock options on Crypto.com's app because I love trading options, guys. Maybe I should make another video or another channel and make some videos about options trading because it's a nice way to build some income, and I really enjoy doing it. But guys, just look at some of these things, banking, but really you need to be looking at something on here that sticks out like a massive sore thumb, and that's the Cronos ETF submission in Q4 of 2025. If we get a Cronos, a Crocoin spot ETF, guys, it's going to create massive buying pressure for Crypto.com, and it's going to make Crypto.com become a bigger behemoth than they already are. I do believe that Crypto.com will become the #1 crypto exchange across the globe. Right now, they are the #1 exchange in North America. But I do believe that if they can pull just some of these off in this roadmap by the end of 2025, I would not be surprised if Crypto.com makes a much larger name for themselves than they already have, which sounds crazy, but I do believe that that could play out that way. So let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance right now, because this is really the chart we need to be looking at to see, okay, now we should expect Crocoin to perform well. Now we should expect retail FOMO to come in, and now we should expect altcoins to make bigger moves to the upside. So we have finally started this descent to the downside. After 2 years of this rising wedge formation on Bitcoin dominance, we're finally seeing this breakdown, okay? And yeah, we obviously didn't just get a straight breakdown without any pain because we saw this huge breakdown, and then what do you know? We came back up and tested this breakdown point, and a lot of alts got hurt big time. A lot of people got spooked by it. Bitcoin took a little bit of a tumble. We had a nasty last week of selling, and the altcoins really took a beating. But guys, if you zoom in here and you look at where we're at, you can see this is a lower high, my friends, a lower high. We should expect this to break down from here. We should expect this to break down lower than the previous low right here at about 55%. And I do believe that into 2025, you should see this maybe even potentially test the low 40s. If we can see Bitcoin dominance test low 40s, I drew a little rectangle because I do think that if you look back here, right, I should have drawn another rectangle back here, but I'll do a little quick one for you guys. If you draw a rectangle from time frame from top to bottom here, it was about 138 days of peak altcoin season. Now, I will also say that this time frame right here, the chop, there was some good buying opportunities, and there was some good money to be made in the breakdown of Bitcoin. Some of these alts performed well after the top was in, but not for long. Really, your eyes should be on this level right here. Back in 2021, when we saw this big sell-off for Bitcoin dominance. It's for about 138 days, okay, guys? And this rectangle right here is for about 138 days. I do expect this breakdown to happen relatively soon, and I do think that into 2025, the end of Q1, Q2, we should expect some big moves here. And I do think that we're going to expect big moves on altcoins to start happening basically now. We should be seeing that unless Bitcoin, there's a big invalidation. There's always invalidations in trading. Unless Bitcoin closes below, say, $88,000 to $85,000, then I think that we should be looking optimistically bullish for altcoins. But if Bitcoin does close below 88,000, 85,000, then I would say, okay, there's a chance that we don't break down here and we just kind of chop around and maybe even make new highs, which I know would be so painful for the altcoin holders and CRO holders alike because, guys, let's be honest here. Crypto.com and CRO will perform the best when altcoins are going to the moon, because when altcoins are going to the moon, that's when all of the retail FOMO comes back, and that's when they use Crypto.com, and that's when they see CRO. It's all these things need to fall into place to make a perfect storm, and I do think there's a high chance of that happening relatively soon here. We just need to make sure Bitcoin plays nice. So when we're looking at CRO right now, you can see, I mean, we're basically consolidating, and this is not very good, okay? I mean, we see a buy signal on the momentum wave for markets if we're looking at the daily time frame, but being beneath 20 cents, I'm not a fan, guys. I'm not a fan of being beneath 20 cents, but I will say, next time we do test it, I do expect a breakout. And when we do break out, I really want to see something like this happen here. Let me give you a better picture of what's going on. I want to see a breakout and a retest to resume off. I want to see this, come back down, do that. I want to see that. When we see something like that play out on this next breakout, then I do expect 40 cents is right there. That will be the next target. There's not enough resistance above 20 cents. I think that 40 cents would be an appropriate target, especially with how long we've been chopping around this 20 cent price level. It's going to be a springboard. If we break out, retest, and resume off, we're going to be testing that 40 cent price level. And once we get there, the sky's really the limit. There's other cooling points to cool off on the way up, but we won't be far off of reaching $1, guys. So it's a very exciting time. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let me know in the comment section below. What are you most bullish on for 2025 for CRO? Look at that Cronos Roadmap and let me know down below, because I love looking at that and just thinking about, wow, in a year from now, where are we going to be? Where is Crypto.com going to take CRO? Where's Cronos going to be? How much are they going to build? What are they going to add? What is the AI going to be integrated into it? What's that going to be like? It's a very exciting time. But please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out Blowfin down below, a $5,000 sign-in bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchanges offering that. Take advantage of that. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you in the next one.